Isang magandang Saturday ng umaga sa inyo mga kapitok! Did you miss the airing of your Saturday morning kabarkada? No, hindi kami nawala. Muli kami nagbabalik sa kalahating oras ng episode na talaga namang ikasisiyan ninyo. And we will give you always the assurance of great relaxation that you are asking and longing for a Saturday morning. In our today's episode, we will let you see the breathtaking views ng isa sa pinagmamalaking resort ng Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, ang Hanas Beach Resort and Convention Center. We will also have a break-in in the astonishing sights at the neighboring towns of Padre Burgos and Bangi, the home of the windmill projects that give sustainable wind energy for the Ilocanja. All of this and more when Pinoy Talk returns. Good morning, Pinoy Talk! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hanas Beach Resort located here at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. We are your segment host. I'm Paul.
And I'm Angel. Samahan niyo po kami na i-explore Malaparaisong Beach Resort na ito sa Norte.
Ang tawag nila dito ay ang
Boracay of the North.
So, partner, ano pang hinihintay natin?
Let's go!
Let's check kung anong amenities meron sila. Let's see what they can offer. Let's go! Finding a great escape is not that easy. We city dwellers are always looking for a great place to ease our tired muscles that our work is bringing. We are always querying where to go for a great getaway to relax and to have fun. Siyempre, hindi na tayo lalabas ng bansa para hanapin ang ating ikasisiya. Ika nga, the great escapade is not that far. Just look and unearth them. And your Pinoy Talk has found a myriad of splendid views. Hanas Beach Resort and Convention Center, the place to stay if you are heading north. Situated in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, and known as the tip-most of Luzon and Boracay of the North. Hanas Place is truly not a regrettable place to go to. Though a 12-hour trip away from Manila, accessible enough for us backpackers. It is an exciting rendezvous where you and your loved ones can escape into the sunlit waters of the Blue Lagoon. Considered to be one of the best in the world. Its crystal water is truly untiring scenery, equipped on its 10-hectare land area. Bounded by a large forest and cliffs, and an expansive sea, truly Hanas Beach Resort is a postcard picture wonder. Harnessing the nuances of its environment, Hanas Beach Resort offers modern amenities while lending itself a perfect venue to view and enjoy the sprawling expanse of sand and sea. Enjoy swimming in its crystal waters and finest white sand. Playing beach volleyball, boating and cruising around the famous Patapat Bridge, or just plain lazy strolling around and reminiscing memories which are special to you. Tila sinadya ng pagkakataon na madiskubre ng Hanas owner na si retired Philippine Air Force Colonel Ricardo Nolasco Jr. ang lupang kinatitirikan ng resort as he visited the town of Pagudpud. Good morning mga kapitok! Here with us is Sir Rick Nolasco. He is the owner of Hana Beach Resort located here at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. Hi sir, good morning po.
Yeah, good morning.
And partner ko po, si Angel.
Ang ganda mo, Iha.
Sir, tanong lang po namin, just to give our viewers po a bit or a short story about Hana Beach Resort. So, hindi naman po kasi lahat talaga ng mga Pilipino alam yung ganito kagandang lugar. So, bakit po Hana ang pangalan ng resort and when it started?
Basically, it came from the name of my daughter, Hannah. Actually, it started 4 years ago when I found the place when I had a problem in Manila. So my friends brought me here. Dinala ko dito para makapag-relax. And the first time I saw the place, it was so pristine, it was so beautiful, and I have never seen such a place before. I've been to many places, particularly in the south, no? I've been to Boracay, I have been to Palawan, and there's something unique with this place. Para bang there's something mystified or mysterious about it. Kasi this is the only place na makikita mo, it's behind a big mountain, it's rolling, at sabi nga ng mga feng shui, it's a treasure being guarded by a big black dragon.
Sir, matanong ko lang, paano nyo na-maintain yung ganito kaganda at kalanging resort?
Maintenance, definitely mahirap, pero I told my employees, and of course our co-workers here, to be very very conscious, particularly in preservation of our environment. So yun ang guidance ko, to be able to get more tourists and to more clients, we need to maintain the cleanliness and of course the security of the place. So number one priority yan namin yan.
Nature lover po ba kayo, sir?
Definitely.
Yung business?
No, actually hindi naman to my primary business. I have no background in resort operations. Para bang ano lang, alam mo kasi if you love something and you love to do it, nandiyan yung passion eh. And you want to have the best for it eh. Kaya siguro yun. Para bang it's fulfilled para sa akin at sa family ko. Kaya I really love the place. Kaya ganun siguro.
Sir, ito matanong ko lang po. Syempre, maganda yung lugar, very friendly. Sabi nyo nga po kanina, tourists would like to visit here. So ito lang po yung tanong nila, is it affordable?
Oh, definitely. Affordable naman compared to the other resorts.
How much do you charge po for the entrance?
If you walk in just to visit the place, 50 pesos lang.
Oh, alam nyo na,
Pwede ka na
mga
mag-picture-picture, di ba?
kapito.
Pero pag magsiswimming ka, siyempre may cost ng water dyan, may cost ng maintenance cost. So we only charge 200 pesos. Medyo may problema lang kami sa mga raw materials ng food kasi it's quite far from
Yes.
the market. So
Maglahi pa
may
lang.
sometimes medyo mataas ang presyo ng food namin. My chef are all from Ilocano. We have one that cooks international. So meron kaming galing Nevada. So
Dito sa resort po, ano po yung dish na pinagmamalaki nyo?
definitely yung sinasabi ng bagnet.
Bagnet, manong. Hello mga kapido, nandito pa rin tayo sa Hana's Beach Resort. And of course, nandito tayo sa Hana's Restaurant with our Chef Alvin and his assistants Katrina and Michelle. Ipapakita nila sa atin kung paano gawa ng
Special crispy dinakdakan.
dahan. Thank you, Chef Alvin. So ito ang isa sa mga specialty ng Hana's Restaurant, ang crispy
Dinakdakan.
dinakdakan. Wow. Okay na natin siyang tikman?
Yes, ma'am. Okay lang.
Okay. Okay lang ba tikman ko?
Tikman. Sige, tikman.
Tikman natin. Alam mo, okay siya ah. Naghalo yung anghang, yung mayonnaise, tsaka yung the best.
Hanna's Beach Resort is complete with fully furnished air-conditioned rooms and cottages, a restaurant and a multi-purpose hall, swimming pool and a view deck among others. Up next mga kapitok, let us experience ang outdoor activity offerings ng Hanna's Beach Resort gaya ng ipinagmamalaki nilang zipline, the current longest zipline over water. All of those and more when Pinoy Talk returns. Hanna's Beach Resort and Convention Center is a perfect getaway for thrill seekers. They are offering a lot of outdoor activities perfect for backpackers and water sports enthusiasts. And to learn more about all of these, let Ryan Nolasco, Hanna's Assistant General Manager, tour us sa mga exciting outdoor packages that they are offering. Andito pa rin tayo sa breathtaking Hanna's Beach Resort located here at Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. We are your segment host. I'm Paul.
And I'm Angel.
And here with us si Sir Ryan Nolasco to tell us more about their latest outdoor activities na pwedeng enjoy ng kanilang mga valued guests. Hi sir, good morning po.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, balita ko may mga exciting daw kayo mga bagong outdoor activities na pwede namin ma-experience today, right?
Yes, correct. Hanna's Zipline is the newest attraction here in the
Wow.
Philippines.
So tanong ko lang sir, saan ba tayo manggagaling from here?
Mga galing kayo sa bundok, ihatid namin po kayo sa taas.
Saan yun, sir?
Doon po. It's 100 feet above sea level.
Ang
Wow,
taas.
Yeah.
taas! Kaya mo yun?
Tapos sir, nakita ko ang layo nun From here sa Hanna, ilang kilometers po ang biyahe? Magbo-walk ba tayo or meron tayong service? Na maghahatid sa
May
atin doon?
service kami, may shuttle kami na ihatid kayo sa taas. And then from there, it's 1.150 kilometers long.
So how long would it take from there na makapunta po dito, makabalik dito sa Hanna's
Well,
Beach
since
Resort?
it's summer, medyo hindi masyado malakas ang hangin.
Hindi ganun kahangin, right?
So it would probably take 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Quite fast.
Yeah.
Pero tanong ko lang sir, bakit ganun napili nyo na kalayo yung ating zipline?
Well, actually, the guests are paying for the view, not the thrill, actually. Of course, the thrill.
Nandun yung kasama na yan.
Yes.
So, Alpha Mea, sir, aside from the entrance fee here sa resort, may ibang entrance pa ba yung mga, halimbawa, yung iba gusto mag-zipline lang, aside from...
Well, if you're a walking guest, hindi kayo mag-check-in.
Okay.
You have to pay 700 for the sitting position.
Okay.
And then, limited kasi yung namin, Superman harness, yung nakadapa po kayo.
Ay,
That's-
nakaganon.
yes, that's
Wow,
right.
gusto ko i-try yun
Ganyan.
So dalawang klase ang zipline nila. Meron yung dalawa,
Magkaiba ang
yung,
price.
meron yung sitting position
Yes.
and Superman.
So, magkaiba ang price na?
Yes, they're 100 yung pagitan po.
Oo.
100 pesos.
Eh, paano pag nakatihaya? Magkano yun?
Meron pa bang ibang position? No?
Actually, meron po kami guests na mas stunt.
Nag-try,
Nasa
oo.
stunt po sila. So they do inverted.
Wow.
But we don't.
Masarap gawin niya, sir, pag bagong kain, ah. I'm just kidding.
So sir, what is the edge of this zip line to other zip line?
Well, Hana's zip line is the longest in the Philippines, also in Asia, also in the world, above water.
So kung ginawa niyong papuntang hanggang Index, pinaka-mahaba na
Sir,
siya.
plano niyo yun ba
Pero
yun?
may toll gate.
Ay, toll gate.
So para walang toll gate, doon na lang tayo sa bundok manggagaling. Anyway, yun yung pinaka-edge ng ating zip line. So ano yung ranking pala when it comes to ranking?
Well, in the world, it's number 1 above water.
Above
Yeah,
water.
next to Hana's zip line is the Dragon's Breath in Haiti. That's around, I think, 700.
Wow, good to hear na tayo pala yung isa sa may pinakamahabang zip line.
Special, di ba?
Pagmamalaki po ng mga Pinoy.
Oo.
Right. So ano pang hinihintay natin, partner?
Okay, so mga kapito, ano pang hinihintay natin? Paul and I are gonna try their
Siyempre, kasama si Sir.
pinagmamalaking, of course, zip line. Let's go!
Tara! Right!
Do this! So guys, kayo na guys, tayo dun sa kabilang end ng bundok. Andito na tayo ngayon sa kabilang bundok. Makakita tayo dun sa zipline going back there sa Hana's Resort.
So tara,
Okay na?
let's go up!
Yes! Pinakapanda ako, promise!
Sigaw mo lang yan! Grabe. Kaya ko kaya to? Nakapag-zipline ako pero first time ko tong ganito kalayo tapos yung babagsakan mo is tubig. Babagsak ba tayo talaga, kuya? Di ba totoo talaga pwede ka sumama?
Pwede.
Pwede na akong bala sa boss mo.
Dito na lang sa kabila, sir.
Hindi, kasama. Kuya, kasama ka din. Sige lang, kuya. Alam ko to eh. I can do this. Kaya!
Sige sir, ang lang kami sir.
Ah, mga kapitok, para sa inyo to.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! I'm coming! Tubig!
Trip lang yung passer.
Kuya, akala ko ba Superman? Bakit lumpia ako dito? Hindi ko alam, speechless ako. Para sa pagsigaw ko kanina dahil sa takot ko, sobrang ganda ng floor. Ocean floor, kitang-kita mo. Yung from doon sa may forest hanggang doon sa may ocean floor, ma-feel mo yung hangin. Yun nga lang, you cannot go straight kahit na idiretso mo yung kamay mo kasi bakit? Yung hangin. So it has something to do with the motion. So pwedeng tumabingi ka, so kailangan stay still.
Wala pa ba?
So it would take like 1 minute before you get here. Mabigat kasi. Mukha siyang pagong. Come on! Spread your wings and fly! Butterfly. Mukha lumpia, rapper! Mukha lumpia!
Parang ako lumilipad! Sarap! Super sarap ng pakiramdam! Aray! Okay lang, sige. Ang sarap na taas, Franz. Parang kang lumilipad talaga. Super. Iba yung experience niya. Tsaka super taas. Makikita mo yung ibaba niya. Ang clear ng water. Everything. Grabe. Super. Sarap na experience. Okay, so guys, we're all geared up na. Ready to ride a banana boat.
And so as a part of precautions, safety precautions nila, we have to wear life jacket. Kasi para kahit marunong ka lumangoy, halimbawa lang, kung sakaling biglang lumakas yung alon, at least safe ka.
Correct.
Partner, game?
Ready to go.
Game. Let's fight. All right, Janelle, let's go. Other water sports and recreational activities include speedboat, rubber boat, surfboards, and their breathtaking infinity pool. Kaya naman binabalik-balikan ng mga avid guests ng Hanas for their never-ending offerings for them. Where are you from, guys?
From France,
And what's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas and
I'm Peter.
Peter. So, is this your first time to visit Hanas place?
Yeah.
So, how did you find it?
It's cool, it's a huge place and the beach is nice, so yeah. So we want to invite you to Hannah's place, the best place, the best spot to have some vacation.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Aside from Hannah's place, Ilocos Norte offers a spectacular panorama that has been an attraction to local and international tourists. And one of the famous landscape is the Bangi Windmills, situated in the municipality of Bangi, just 40 minutes ride away from Pagudpud. So Pagwis, nandito tayo ngayon sa tinatawag ninyong windmill. So dito yung pinagkukulan nyo ng power energy source. So saan bayan ba ang pinag-distribute ng ating kuryente na galing sa windmill? Buong Ilocos? The wind farm uses 20 units of 70-meter-high wind turbines, arranged in a single row stretching along a 9-kilometer shoreline of Bangi Bay, facing the South China Sea. Phase 1 of the North Wind Power projects in the Bangi Bay consists of 15 wind turbines, each capable of producing electricity up to maximum capacity of 1.65 megawatts for a total of 24.75 megawatts. Phase 2 was completed in August 2008 and added 5 more wind turbines with the same capacity. All 20 turbines describe a graceful arc reflecting the shoreline of Bangi Bay. Another spectacular sight that Ilocos Norte is offering is sa Kapurpurawan Rock Formation na matatagpuan naman sa bayan ng Burgos, a truly must-see destination. So papunta na kami doon mga kapitok sa Rock Formation, but of course, siyempre medyo malayo-layo siya. Pwede tayong gumamit ang isa sa mga pinupunta ng turista rito, horseback riding. Pag-miss, magkano ba ang presyo ng kabayo dito?
100 per each.
100 pesos lang each? Pwede ko na ba tayo uwi? Hindi, joke lang. So 100 pesos daw ang horseback riding, back and forth na yon, galing doon sa Kapurpurawan na bato. Let's go! Its natural build has captivated the eyes of discerning tourists. The rocky formation was mounted at the bay area of the said town for several years. Tourists are mostly dazzled with the natural grace which describes the radiant and sparkling shade of rock formation. It is a hill of white limestone rock created by forces of the wind, water, and waves coming from the ocean. Truly an amazing work of nature. Adjacent to the rock formation is the ocean, which added to the breathtaking sight. Kapurpurawin is coming from the word
Kapurpurawan is, kung sa Tagalog, kaputi-putian po, sir.
kaputi-putian. Kapurpurawang, kuya!
Kapag
High five!
maitim ako, sir.
Ay, ano ba
Kahit
yun?
itim-itiman ako, sir.
Ay, iba pala yun. Kapurpurawang means puting bato. The stretch of the rock formation is accessible with a 15-minute walk or a 100 pesos worth of horseback riding, perfect for camera shots. Another spot that was well visited in Ilocos Norte is the Bantay Abot Cave. The site is not really a cave but a hill that was wrecked by an earthquake in the 80s, leaving a hole in the middle. The top of the cave is covered with lush green vegetation, thus adding the beauty of the cave. To get to the interior of the cave, one need to go down a few concrete staircase in a rocky part going up to the hole. Mga kapitok, from here, makikita mo yung shape ng cave. So from here, pwede mong kunan ng picture at gawin siyang souvenir. Ay, mga kapitok, talaga namang na-inlove ako sa magandang tanawin ng Ilocos Norte. It's truly remarkable. After the tiring but satisfactory trip outside Hanas, let us savor and enjoy their nightlife with their blue bar. Good for our gimmikerong kabarkadas.
I feel like the DJ is my bodyguard.
Isa pong napaka-unforgettable experience ang makapag-enjoy sa malaparaisong beach resort na ito sa Norte ang
Hanas Beach Resort. Partner, alam mo ba kanina sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa ginawa natin, yung banana boat at yung ating speedboat.
jet ski at ang zipline.
Alam mo yan. So mga kapitok, join us on our next adventure only here at Pinoy Talk.
Tara partner, zipline tayo ulit.
Isa pa? Ulitan?
Ulit. Isa pong napaka-unforgettable experience ang makapag-enjoy sa
Well, Hana Zipline is the longest in the Philippines, and it's the longest over the whole there. Again.
Dito kayo bibili